Today we explore Biden's tripartita, an ancient medicinal plant. Biden's tripartita is celebrated for its rich chemical composition. This plant protects infants' skin from rashes and irritations. Biden's tripartita thrives near water, easily recognized by its yellow flowers. The young tops and leaves are harvested for their detoxifying benefits. Packed with manganese and vitamin C, it aids metabolism and blood health. Biden's tripartita aids digestion effectively. Biden's tripartita teas help balance fluids and reduce fever. Ointments and lotions treat acne, demonstrating versatile healing. Follow us for more insights on nature's remedies.